Hi, my name is Mayor with Frog Lock Locksmith. The difference between DeadBolt and doorknob. This is the DeadBolt, usually on top, and the doorknob on the bottom. You can lock them both. The difference is the DeadBolt doesn't go back. This one, the bottom one, the latch for the doorknob goes back so you can slide a credit card and open it easily. Always make sure you have a DeadBolt on your exterior door especially. And if it's an exterior or interior door, you want to make sure you have a thumb turn on the inside. This way you can open it easily without the key.
Call Frog Lock Locksmith for all your locksmith need. 516-263-7770.